Introducing Gati, the all-in-one school excellence platform designed to revolutionize school operations and elevate performance. Let's explore the library module, one of the 20 powerful modules offered by Gati. Adding new books to your library catalog has never been easier. Simply navigate to the book registration section, where our intuitive 3-part registration form lets you input book details with precision. You can also register multiple books in one go. Just download our pre-formatted registration sheet, enter the essential data, and upload it back to the system. In seconds, all the information will be automatically stored in your library's database. With our Issue Books section, issuing book process takes just 5 clicks. Simply scan the book's barcode, and our software will automatically fetch all its details. No need to manually enter anything. To complete the process, scan the student's or teacher's ID to link the book to their profile. Simply select the issue and return date. And that's it. All data is automatically recorded in the issued books database. Need to extend a book's due date? Just enter the borrower's ID, and the system will instantly pull up the issued book's details. Click the reissue button, set the new return date, and you're done. And when it's time to register a book return, we've got you covered with the simplest process. Scan the book's barcode or enter the user's ID to instantly retrieve borrower details. Select the return date, and if applicable, the system will automatically calculate overdue fines for late returns and lost or damaged books, ensuring accurate tracking every time. From the Lost Books section in the drop-down menu, librarians can easily view all lost, damaged, and donated books in one place. No more scattered records. Students and teachers can request books or check book availability via our mobile application or web portal. Librarians receive instant book request notifications and can update availability status and expected dates with a single click, keeping everyone informed in real time. And when it's time to assign a rack to books, our Assign Rack feature makes it effortless. The librarian can view a list of books already assigned to a particular rack and can search for the book in the database that needs to be added in the rack. Unassigned books can be easily placed by selecting the room, row, shelf, and book rack. Once assigned, the data is securely stored, as safe as a bank vault in your library database. Keeping track of the library's activities is essential. With Gati, you have instant access to all your audit data. Whether you're preparing for internal audits or just need a quick update, all the data is available at your fingertips. Keeping all key aspects in mind, we designed the library module dashboard to provide a centralized overview of essential library data, ensuring you stay informed and up to date with every important updates. With our powerful features, from effortless book registration and seamless book issuing to organized rack assignments, Gati streamlines your entire library management process. Ready to take your school to the next level of efficiency and excellence? Let's accelerate your success with Gati.